Razelle with Farmer Brown Insurance. Today I'd like to talk about a specific type of insurance called general liability for roofers, sometimes also referred to as roofers insurance. As you know, general liability is the basic insurance you need to get to protect your business against claims for bodily injury or property damage to third parties. As you know, working as a roofer has a special type of risk because you're not only working from height, but you're also working on one of the most important and most expensive part of any building. So here is some good information to consider before buying a roofer's insurance policy. The average cost of your insurance will depend on the type of policy you choose. Number 1, ask for water damage coverage. You already know that one of the biggest enemies of your work is water. So when buying a roofer's insurance policy, ask your agent for an open water endorsement. This coverage is usually not included in your policy unless you specifically ask for it. Water damage is one of the biggest and most unfortunate claims to have, especially if you don't have the right coverage. So make sure to protect your business against it. The price of this endorsement is not fixed. It really depends on the insurance company that you're buying it from. Now, talking about costs, it's important to understand that the cost of a general liability policy will depend on some factors such as your gross sales, the amount of coverage you need, the state that you're in, and the type of policy you choose, whether it's a claims-made policy or a per-occurrence policy. And of course, your deductible and the endorsements you add on. That being said, a basic claims-made policy starts at approximately $1,800 per year, whereas a regular occurrence policy could start at about $2,000 annually. Now, if you need more information about roofers insurance, you could give me a call at the number below. I can work up a free quote for you. We work with only A-rated companies in all 50 states, so I can make sure we find the best policy you need at a competitive rate. Once again, I'm Razelle with Farmer Brown Insurance. Give me a call. Thank you for watching.